Hi guys, welcome back to another episode of Jolly Kitchen. My name is Kiet, and today I'm going to show you how to make a simple Thai dessert. It's called Taro Egg Custard. With the simple ingredient as a simple step, you can make this delicious dish at home. You want to know how? Stay tuned. And today I'm feeling a little bit like craving for Thai dessert. Fortunately, I went to a weekend market where I can get the fresh ingredients right from the farmer. And I spot on this taro, which is freshly harvested from the crops. So it looks really nice. So it gives me an idea what should I be putting on my next recipe. And that's what the idea came from. So it's been a long time since the last time that I cook something that incorporate taro. So taro is kind of the potato, is widely used in the, Asian cooking. So it can be used like cooking dessert or cooking at the savory dish. Today we are going to focus on utilizing taro in our dessert dish. And as you can see here, I just peeled the brown skin and removed the brown spot. And now you're going to rinse it out with water and then chop into a bigger chunk like this. So we are going to put the chopped taro into the steamer. Steaming probably going to take about 10 to 15 minutes on the high heat. So once it's cooked, it's going to get really light texture. It's really nice. You can actually blend it to make the ice cream. It's super delicious. And the next key ingredients I'm going to get is right from my backyard. Is the pandan leaf. So if you get a chance, grab a few pots of this and grow in your backyard, and it will come handy when you need them. And the next part I'm going to prepare is to get the eggs ready. So typically we'll use the duck egg, but duck egg it's not really like viable here in Australia, so it's kind of expensive compared to the chicken eggs. So I'm going to use chicken eggs today and just crack in a small bowl so to make sure there's no spoiled or bad eggs. And then I'm going to add the palm sugar in here. Now in this step is going to be super simple. I'm going to kneading all the ingredients together until the egg and the palm sugar all well combined. But the reason why I'm using the pandan leaf is to mask the scent of the eggs. So you're going to get really fresh sweetness, aroma from the pandan leaf instead of like the egg itself. So it looks really nice and silky just like this. Now we are going to move on to the next step. Alright, this part is quite important. You want to get a really creamy and smooth texture for the custard. You're going to filter out the unwanted particles. In this case, it might be from the eggshell, it might be from the palm sugar that's a bit lumpy, or it could be from the pandan leaves. So I'm using my reliable linen cloth here. I always have it in my kitchen, so it's become very handy with my cooking. As you can see here, you squeeze and you get really nice smooth the liquid mixture we're going to prepare for our custard. And the next step is super simple. I saved the coconut cream and the steamed taro for the last step, and then just put everything in the blender just like this. Now we're going to make the puree taro. And if you prefer to have a little bit of chunky, you can just use mash style, but I prefer to have a smooth texture in my custard. So once you've done so, just add the puree taro into the liquid mixture and then just mix it until it all will combine again. So I'm just going to mix them, just make sure there's no lumps or anything, and then I'm going to move on to the next step. I'm preparing my baking cups or ramekin, and we'll add a little bit of some chunk of taro in there. It's a steam one, so it's already cooked. And then you are going to fill up the cups. I think I would leave the gap about maybe 5 centimeter on the top, just for in case it's rice. Just make sure you do not overfill the cup, otherwise it's going to overflow when it's cooked. So we don't want this to spill all over the place. And in the meantime, you prepare the oven. Turn the heat on to 180 degrees Celsius, and we are going to bake this for 30 to 40 minutes until it's cooked. So we are looking for is the smooth texture, so make sure you do not over bake them, otherwise it become really dry. So how do you know it's cooked? So testing by using the toothpick, just piercing through and pull it up. If there's nothing else stick up on the toothpick, this means it's cooked. Say hello to my QC here. This is my cat, her name is Mango. She's ready to taste the dish as well. And here you are, this is the end result from our cooking today. This is taro egg custard. Really nice, creamy, smooth texture from the eggs, and really nice aromatic hinted of the taro. If you enjoy what you're seeing today, be sure to like and subscribe and share. I hope to see you again next time. Thank you for watching. Bye now.